comparison, and ordering of integers on a number line. Sometimes in life, we come across situations where it becomes necessary to compare two integers. For example, a shopkeeper gains a profit of Rs 5 by selling a pen, but he incurs a loss of Rs 5 by selling a book. Let's compare both integers. The number line is a useful method to compare integers. Let's represent integers on a number line. First of all, draw a line and mark points at equidistance on it. Mark a central point as 0 on it. On the right of 0, mark positive numbers such as 1, 2, 3, etc. It would be correct to express them with a positive sign, such as +1, +2, +3, etc. Similarly, to the left side of 0, mark the negative integers such as -1, -2, -3, etc. By doing so, we have obtained the number line of integers. Here we can say that all positive numbers are to the right of 0 and all negative numbers are to the left of 0. Note that this is a horizontal number line. Similarly, we can obtain a vertical number line as well, where positive integers are shown upwards and negative integers downwards. In this video, we are using only a horizontal number line. Now on the number line, how do we mark +5? Well, since +5 is a positive integer, move 5 points to the right of 0. Similarly, since -5 is a negative integer, move 5 points to the left of 0. As you can see, the value of the numbers increases as we move to the right and decreases as we move to the left of 0. Since +5 is to the right and -5 is to the left, +5 is greater than -5. Please note that the symbol used for comparison always faces the larger number. Suppose we have to put integers in order. For example, in a competition, Meera scored +4, Raman +6, Samir -5, and Ankita -3. To determine whose score is highest or whose score is lowest, we need to arrange them in a certain order. This is achieved by comparing each of their scores with the other. Let's compare the scores of Meera and Raman first. Look at the number line. Meera's +4 is to the left side of Raman's +6. +4 is less than +6, or since +6 is to the right of +4, +6 is greater than +4. Similarly, let's compare the scores of Samir and Ankita. Since the number -5 is to the left of -3, -5 is less than -3. In other words, -3 being on the right side of -5 is -3 is greater than -5. Now let's compare +4 and -3. Well, the value of positive integers is always greater than negative integers. Therefore, +4 is greater than -3. So, we can arrange the given numbers in descending order in this way and ascending order in the opposite way. we can safely conclude that Raman got the highest score, whereas Samir got the lowest score. Today, we have learnt representation, comparison, and ordering of integers on a number line. In the next video, we will learn it in a better way with some more examples. Following concept of integers. Represent the following numbers on a number line. To represent a number on the number line, first draw a line and mark some points at equidistance. Mark any point as 0. The first number we have to mark is plus 3, which is a positive number. Move 3 places to the right and mark the number that you arrive at as 3. This is 3 points to the right of 0. The next number is 5. Can you tell whether this is a positive integer or a negative integer? Any guesses? Well, a number without a sign is always a positive number. Therefore, 5 is plus 5. Similar to plus 3, plus 5 is marked 5 points to the right of 0. The next number is minus 6, which is a negative integer. This is marked by moving 6 points to the left of 0. This is how we represent numbers on a number line. Next example. Compare the following pairs of numbers using these signs. First of all, we have to compare the given numbers. Then, on the basis of comparison, we have to use the given sign. In order to do this, we will use the number line. If a number lies to the right side of another number on a number line, then it is the larger number of the two. Similarly, if a number lies to the left side of another number, then it is the smaller number of the two. Now let's compare 1 and minus 6. In order to do this, we will represent them on a number line. The number plus 1 is marked 1 place to the right side of 0, and minus 6 is marked 6 places to the left of 0. As you can see, the number 1 is to the right side of minus 6. Therefore, 1 is the larger number and minus 6 is the smaller number. Remember that the face of the sign is always towards the larger number. Similarly, let's compare minus 5 and 0 on the number line. The number minus 5 is marked 5 places to the left of 0. Since minus 5 is to the left of 0, minus 5 is the smaller number and 0 is the larger number. Similarly, in order to compare minus 3 and minus 2, mark them on the number line. As you can see, minus 3 is to the left of 2. Therefore, minus 3 is smaller than minus 2, or we can say that minus 2 is larger than minus 3. Today, we have seen some examples related to the concept of integers. In the next video, we will clear some to the concepts of integers. Determine the position of minus 5 on the number line given below. On the number line, the position of every number is fixed. Here, the position of number 6 is shown. Based on this, we can find the position of minus 5. Sometimes, minus 5 is mistaken as 5 and is placed before the positive integer 6. This is incorrect. To find the correct position of minus 5, first find the position of 0. To do this, move 6 places to the left of number 6. By doing this, we arrive at 0. After finding the position of 0, it is easy to determine the position of minus 5. Since minus 5 is a negative number, mark it by moving 5 places to the left of 0. Therefore, the correct answer is option 2. Misconception 2. Out of minus 4 and minus 3, which number is larger? It is easy to compare two positive numbers or a positive and a negative number. But comparing two negative numbers can be challenging. Minus 4 is often mistaken as 4 and considered larger than minus 3. This is incorrect. We know that on the number line, if a number is to the right of another number, then it is a larger number. Therefore, minus 3 is larger than minus 4. So, the correct answer is option 2. Today, we have seen some misconceptions related to the following concepts of integers.